Hi, this is Miss D from Tech with Miss D. And today I'm going to teach you how to do and turn in an assignment on Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to go into one of my classes that has assignments. So maybe I go into a reading class. And I can find my assignments on my post, or I can click on this assignments, and that will make sure I have all of them. And I can see all the ones. And this one, it will show me which ones are assigned and I haven't done yet, which ones are completed. Okay, so I'm going to click on one of the things that was assigned. And let's see, let's click on the writing assignment. So I click on my writing assignment, and it gives me my instructions. I'm just going to click on this right here, and it brings me right to a Word document. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Edit Document. I'm just going to click Edit in Browser. And now, right here, I still am in Teams, I have my Microsoft Word. And I can just start typing. Whatever I'm going to write for my assignment, we'll just make up some things. I've typed it. Yay! I wouldn't really do that. And then when I'm finished, all I do is I make sure that it says saved. See how up here it already said saved because it saves automatically, just like when we go into Office 365. And then I hit close. And I just click on turn in. Now this says turn in late because this was an assignment I already assigned, but yours would say turn in. So I click turn in and it's done. And I usually get a fun little picture that shows up telling me that I turned in my assignment. And it's really that easy. Now, sometimes you might have an assignment that looks a little bit different. In this assignment, I just have the questions are right here. So what I'm going to do is if you look way down here on the bottom where it says add work, I'm going to click on add work and I'm going to click on new file and Word document. Now I've got to give it a name and I'm doing chapter 2 and I'm going to press attach. Now I have a Word document. I'm going to put my cursor over all of it and highlight it all. And then I'm going to hold down the CTRL, which is on the very bottom of my keyboard on the left side. And I'm going to press the C for copy. And then I just open this up and I press edit document and edit in browser. And then I want to put all that stuff that I just copied on here. So go on to the document and I'm going to hold down the control and I'm going to press V. And here are the questions right here. And I didn't even have to do anything. So it was holding down that control, that bottom button on my keyboard right below the shift, holding that and pressing the V. And that will copy my questions. Now I can just write their answers. I make sure that it says saved. So see how it just says saving right now? So I don't want to close it. Once it says saved, I can close it and I can turn it in when I'm all done. And again, I get my picture that shows me, yay, I turned it in. I'm going to show you one more way to do an assignment. So the easiest way to do this is going to be to click on this. It says Happy Trails. And then this is the most fun. I can come up here and I can press the draw in my pen. And I can answer these questions. And I can answer these questions just by drawing with my finger on the screen. Or if I don't have a touch screen, by hovering this over and clicking and holding, and then I can make a circle. Or to make it easier, I could highlight it if I wanted to. Could highlight a question instead. So then you'll have some areas that ask you to write something. And that's going to be kind of hard to try and do it with the draw tool. So instead, I can just come over to the side here and I can click twice. And that's going to give me this little box. And in this box, I can write the answer. So now I have the answer. I can just put it right there next to it, and I can put in the answers. Now, the one thing is you want to make sure that this has a cloud with a check, because that means it's saved. And then I would press my turn in, and it would be done. So those are the way that you can do assignments that your teacher gives you on Microsoft. Join me next time on Tech with Miss D.